So it's trap setting day. Got all the traps ready. Got the goat. You ready? So anyways, we're setting a spot. Like I said before, we haven't trapped this since the 2017-2018 season. So anyways, if you want to check that out, click this right here. It's the day where we caught 4 bobcats. And we caught 2 of them out of here, 2 in another spot. But we ended up catching, I think, 5 bobcats out of this area in a couple months. So hopefully not many people or anyone has trapped it since then. And we're going to set some of the same spots. There's some new spots I want to set. My trapping style's changed a little bit in the last 3 years. So hopefully that means we can pick up a couple more cats. But anyways, we get setting. I'll show some of the set locations, why I choose them, and how I set them up in this video. So stay tuned. So at this spot, we got a little saddle right here. This is an elk and deer trail. Leads down over to that wash. So all I did was widen out that part of the bushes there, and we'll put a trap right in there. Brody said he's looking for deer sheds, so we can put a trap right in here. So there's the finished set. I left my wire. It's either at home or in the side-by-side, so I don't have a flag for this one. If it's at home, we'll be putting any flags up today, but I got this from a local guy here in Nevada. He's kind of southern Nevada, kind of central, but it's Cheney's. Yep, he said it's like saying Sheen Ease. So Cheney Signature Series. So this is a coma. This is made out of male bobcat glands. I got the other one, it's female. So we'll put this one right here. I'll put the male stuff. We're gonna put another one down in the wash and we'll put the female stuff on it. But it smells good. I'm excited to see how it works. So we got one trap right here we just set. And if you click on the link up above on one of these sides, you can see it's actually one of our popular videos. This really big tom we caught right there. Brody's playing with algae. He said he's feeding the mountain goats, right? We're gonna put another trap right down here a little bit. So there's the finished set. I got cotton on the other side too. Got the trail camera on this one, so it should be the view through the camera right there. So anyways, go get more traps out. We already got 12 traps out. Our goal was 20 and we still got plenty of time in the day. So this right here is the kind of stuff I look for cats. This is a bit of a hike, not too far. We've hiked a lot further, but that's what it looks like. So we're gonna go up there, look around for poop, and hopefully get a couple sets on it. So right there we got the cage trap and the camera, and a bobcat walked through right there this morning at 5 in the morning. So put this trap there. I really want to catch one in a cage, but that really sucks. When you see that you missed a bobcat, then you start questioning how many you've missed this season. Not fun, huh, bud? Yeah. So we've been trying to catch this coyote. It's been pooping all over this road, and we haven't seen anybody down this road. It's the only reason I said trap this close. And we had this trap right here in a trench set. We've been trying to get him for a while now. And he pulled the drag out a little bit, but it hung right back up. But anyways, you can already tell it's rubbed, but still cool we got one. Just heard our chain rattle, huh?
Yeah. I hope it's a lot of cats. Oh, it is bobcat. No, gray fox.
Nope. Kit fox.
Kit. No, Kit. There you are. There you are. Okay, see.
Got a kit fox. Nothing in that cat set. Let's take care of him. So we got one more cage trap to check on, then we're done.